My name is Jeremias. I'm an actor by trade, and I own 5 property businesses as well. Well, 4. And um, this week I was learning more about certain property strategies such as rent to SA and rent to HMO. And yeah, it's been insightful so far. And connecting with like-minded individuals as well, people that are at the beginning of their journey, people that far out in their journey as well. So it's good to connect with people as well. Yeah. Uh, the energy, the energy is exciting. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So see, just now I see people. So it's you come out motivated and you step in. Regardless how you step in, you're going to be motivated in pursuing whatever you're pursuing. And I'm a little bit further ahead of my journey now. So for me, there is a lot of like details that I pick out, and I'm like, I like that, right? But also just being around people that kind of can be on par with where you at is very valuable in that sense. Yeah. The education, it's good. It's good. It's detailed. So me personally, I own 21 units with my wife, and we're property millionaires, and um, I still come to training classes and courses and get mentorship and education because it's small things that make a massive difference. For example, I bought an apartment block last month, and I ran a GDV valuation on bricks and mortar, checked out great, all money out. Then I learned something this week, which would allow me to potentially title split, get like a better market for it, get a high evaluation out of it, and potentially get double what I was initially get. And that was like a throwaway comment in like a 2-minute like piece, right? And it's little things like that that make a massive difference. So um, I always say invest in yourself, and you see a return of investment like nothing else.
Great.
Yeah.
Final question: would you recommend this kind of environment for someone who's looking to get into property?
Completely. Yeah, yeah. I think to be in an environment like this of driven individuals as well as having access to coaching and mentorship like you do here, it's if you apply yourself and you're serious about this and you're motivated and you like no matter what you're gonna make this work, then this will only like sow the seeds for you to just prosper more.